Hi again. All right. So we've got another little song here for you to try. Now this one has a little melody in it, and it also has a couple of chords, right? It's got some other stuff in it as well. We're just going to do the beginning of it and see if you like it, and then we can do more of it next week as well. But first of all, just coming back to our finger, string, and fret, right? So you can use these two fingers if you like. First finger, third string, second fret. So I just go third string, second string open, and back to that string, third string. So 3, 2, 3. We've got our first finger on the third string in the second fret. And then that's first string open, second string, second fret, second string open, and then third string, second fret. So we're only playing notes in the second fret, and then we're also using open strings, okay? As the first part, third string, first finger, third string, second fret. Open, second string. Back to that third string, second fret. And then first string open, second string, second fret. You can use a second finger, or you can just keep using that one finger, that's okay. And then open, second string, and then third fret, third string, second fret. And you can see that on the tab as well, okay? So one more time, really slowly. First, second string, open second string. Okay, and as I said, I'm going to send you through a tab for that. And, I'm sure your mum or someone can help you just figure it out as well. It's a little bit more complicated than some other things we've done, but we've got to try to get a little bit better, and you've got a bit more time now, so maybe at home you can do a little bit more playing as well, right? Okay, so then we're going to play these three fingers in the same fret. It's pretty hard for me because my fingers are bigger than yours probably. I'd normally probably play it a different way, but for you I reckon you could probably get your three fingers on the fourth string, third string and second string. 4, 3 and 2 all in the second fret. First string is open and we're going boom, tack, 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 boom, tack, tack, tack. So I'm just going, hearing that beat without playing, so there's a missed beat. Boom, down, up, down, boom, down, up, down, boom, down, up, down, boom, down, up, down. Then we go up to the G chord. Okay, so first finger, and then second finger, and then third finger. Boom, ta, 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 boom, ta, ta, ta. Then we're going to play our riff. And back into our chord. Boom, ta, 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 miss. Down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, boom, 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 boom. So this is the beginning of another famous Bob Marley song called 3 Little Birds. And it's a cool song. You want to check that out on YouTube and listen to it. Yeah. And then even if you just want to get a little bit of this, you know, and we can have a look at this. Maybe we can have a Zoom lesson next week, as well as sending you a video, and we can just make sure that you're kind of getting some of this stuff that I'm sending you, you're getting it right, you know. Cool. So I'll send, you know, the written material for this one as well, and that should give you plenty to get on with for a while. You got Sunshine of Your Love from the other video, just playing the single notes, one note at a time. And then we've got this one with the chords and the melody. With our new reggae beat. Yeah? Okay, good. I hope that all makes sense. And stay safe, be good to your parents, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.